What's up, ladies and gentlemen? This is Heru Da Guru, aka SoccerGod. I know they call me SoccerGod, but soccer's on break right now. And I'm a beast in all these sports, boy. Football, basketball, hockey, baseball, and I gave out some locks and tennis, but I didn't post a video last night. I said, fuck it. I just said, fuck it. Because my channel's small, nobody paying attention to these laws, but that's okay. They say you gotta keep consistency, keep punching along, punching along. It's really a hobby. I'm really a writer. I write comic books and shit like that. I'm a published author, Rainforest Project. I'm trying to do an audio with it. I got some AI images to go with it. I'm just trying something, man. Yeah, people like to watch shit. You know what I mean? They tired of the bullshit that television that they giving us. But there's nothing to bet on. This is miserable Mondays. So what I decided to do, I said, man, let me go to these covers. I go to covers.com, NCAA basketball scores and matchups. These are the two websites, my favorite websites when I analyze and do my little handicapping. I go to covers because it's just like they front screen. So they front screen give you the record, ATS last 10 right up the top. It gives you the over and under, plus or minus. And then the most favorite part of it is the percentages of the bets. They showing particularly the public and who and where the money's being bet, who's betting on it. And 71% right there you see is betting on Iona, and 29% is betting with High Point. You got me? So that's basically what it is. These games start in 2 hours, so I got about make this video about 30 minutes, and I'm rolling a blunt and talking back, whatever, and post it in time. And then most of my people is physical, so they really don't get up this early. Until I get me an audience, a real audience, these are just going by the wayside. But you gotta be consistent. They say you gotta keep doing it. So we gonna keep doing it. Especially if I'm hitting. Now, let me tell you something. I'm gonna tell you a secret about me. If you ain't seen the video in about 5 days, that means I done took a beating. And I'm depressed. I'm just being real. I know you can't do that. Once you get a show, you gotta keep it moving. You get me? So that's what I'm really trying to do. But I have stung them the last couple of days, so I've been feeling good about the video. But it ain't been nothing to bet on, cause I'm a soccer guru, and they've been really much on a little, I guess, a break. They be having breaks, mid breaks, Christmas break, some break. I don't know. They be having breaks where they go 2 weeks, 3 weeks off. In the middle of their season, they'll break. Almost like a 2-week all-star break or something. I don't know. I got to look into it. We got to look into it. I want a fat tater when I get out these lots for college, because we can sit here and analyze it. And we finna sit here and analyze the lock college bets. Oh yeah, that's a fat bat, boy. Whoop-ah. He knocks it deep with his pressure blunt. His pressure blunt. He knocks it deep. Man, we grown up. You betting, you grown. You betting, you grown. You feel me? Man, listen, man. Let's get into this shit, man. So Iona, they 4.5-point favorites. Let me see who cannot cover the spread. Right, these boys ain't covering. They is not covering. Iona, they 1-1. All right, you want I wanted to look at. Wee. Let me magnify this so the people can see it on their screen. Alright, boom. Alright, they lost the College of Charleston by 2. Not bad. They beat Sacred Heart. There's not much information about them. Betting view. They covered that +7. They were -9.5. They couldn't cover it. Now they -4 at High Point. That's really no information. It's not enough information right there. Let me click on High Point, see what they about, what they been doing. They 1-2. Okay, they blow them on Wolford. Shoot. Let me look at Wolford. Wolford pretty good. But they lost to Tennessee. But that's Tennessee. And Virginia Tech. That's Virginia Tech. Wolford all right, though. To me, that's a good win for High Point, man. That's a really good win for High Point. And then they lost to Queens. Let me see who this is, Queens. Queens all right, too, boy. Queens all right, too, boy. Man, it look like to me High Point is a little bit battle to it. They busting clocks. And they busting clocks. And you got Iona. They getting all these points. Let me see head to head. They ain't played. They ain't played. They ain't played. They ain't never played. High Point at home. See, when they play their little competition, they really be jumping on the Wolford. Have Iona ever played Wolford? That's what I want to see. Did y'all ever play Wolford? Boy, they beat Ryder. What this really comes down to is these conferences. The Metro Atlantic versus the Big South. Who has the best conference? That's what this is coming down to. And I ain't gonna lie, I think the Metro Atlantic is the better conference. But that's probably why they getting these points, man. Man, I like High Point Panthers. Give me High Point Panthers with that +4.5. And I'm betting against the public. I love it when I bet against the public. Love it. High Point +4.5. I might tease that up 2 or 3 points. Make it +7. You know what? I'm putting High Point as a sprinkle, a little sprinkler, a sprinkler. You know what a sprinkler is? Let me see if they on the. Let me see what they spread is. High Point +170 money line. That's what I wanted to look at. How many points they gonna let me tease High Point up to? And they'll let me take it up to +6. I think I'm gonna try those. Yeah. Why not? I like High Point. Them boy busting clocks. I know Iona is in a better league, pretty much. But I don't think they're that much better. Manhattan, no. Oakland, they covered for me. They was on that ticket yesterday, that 10 team I smoked them with. Oakland. I said, how they gonna get beat? I was finna pick them for the money line, but they didn't pull it through. They almost didn't cover. They was leading the game close, and then they let them pull away, almost not covering at the end. But they covered that 10.5. I appreciate you, Oakland. Let me see Loyola Marymount. Let me see Loyola and Oakland. Let me take a look at their little trendy natures. Oakland. Let me see their little trendy nature. I'm clicking on Oakland. Where's Oakland? There you go. They 1-3. Yeah, they ain't too good. They ain't too good. Look at Drake. Drake got 11 points. I was like, who they thought they was? Plus 9. I had got plus 10 and a half. I don't know if I teased it, but they covered. They lost to Ohio State and Illinois, them bigger programs. That's what made me bet with them. I said, man, they battle tested Drake. And they and Loyola. They might be battle tested for you too. Man, y'all play Westcliff, lost to Yale. Okay, you beat Chasley, you lost to Stephen F. Austin. What tournament is this? What tournament is this? It must be a tournament. They not showing it, but let me see if these boys play head to head. I'm thinking Oakland again. No, that's Stephen F. Austin. These boys bang with big boy, man. I know they losing. Man, I like Oakland first half, man. I'm just being honest. I'm being honest. Let me see something. Like Loyal, let me look at this game. Y'all got y'all at drop. Oh, y'all was up first half. Wait a minute. Why I got it? Okay, yeah, that's it. And then y'all got blowed out second half, 53 to 37. That's alarming. That's alarming. Let me see this Yale game. What y'all did? Y'all was losing half, and it was tied at the second half. Break them young. We know what Oakland do. Oakland get out that first half. They gonna bang with you, boy. They gonna bang with you. Let me look at that loss against Illinois. They was down 1 point in that half too. Let me say Ohio State. Man, down 1 point, 3 halves in a row. Man, give me Oakland half, man. Oakland. I know they probably be plus 2, 3. If they 4.5, they might be 2, 2.5. Matter of fact, let me check it. Right now. NCAA halves. Oakland plus 2.5. Man, give me the plus 2.5. They can be up. I like Oakland half. Man, I like Oakland for game plus 1.5. I'm gonna add about 3 points. They be Loyola showed me they could collapse in the second half, man. Being real with you. Now we got Cal State Fullerton at Southern Mississippi. Southern Mississippi, they favorite. They favorite, huh? They favorite. Cal State, them boys over there, the boy got little fundamentals over there. Cal State, Fullerton, all them boys. Ooh, they lost to Cornell by 18. UCFA smoked them. San Diego State smoked them. They haven't covered yet. Ooh, Southern Mississippi, what y'all got going on? Y'all beat William Carey. Man, this is an under game. 135? Now how? Man, give me under, man. CSU and Southern Miss. Under 130. I would have liked it under 130, to be honest. William and Carey, you get 54 against Akron. I don't know. Cal State could probably bust you. Utah Valley beat you by two, 65, 67. What? Oh, they starting out pretty good. Okay. Southern Miss, y'all might can cover that, but I'd rather go with that under. Matter of fact, what is that under half? 62. Ooh. Let me see then. 62. Ooh. Let me see. Let me see what y'all had that first half. 64. Over. That's why I be going over half, cause they G you on a few points. I'm just look at all y'all have. 61. Ooh. 64. Ooh. I like they over first half, bro. I like they over first half though. I ain't gonna bust lie. See, that's further than 70. Oh, they just blow them out. They blow them out. UCL just shut them down. I don't think Southern Miss gonna be able to shut them down. They ain't UCL. UCL a big boy team. Look at that, man. Man, they going over half, man. Matter of fact, I like that better than the under. To be honest, I like that. That's one of my favorite picks, actually. Let me put this in a separate category. Favorites. That looks cool. Beautiful. Southern Miss and CS4 over. I think what is it, 62? 62 and a half. Ooh. That's gonna be a closey. And they ain't never played each other, have they? Let me check. They never played each other. I like the under for the game. But I just got a feeling they gonna get that over. I'm gonna move on, boy. They done bet it down from 135 to 133. I like that over half, man. I don't think they're gonna be able to stop each other. Central Michigan at Siena. Why everybody like Siena? Everybody looking like they like Siena. I'm looking at Central Michigan. That's your team rankings. I love this website, boy. It got so much on here. You can go to stats and it break down almost any stat category you can think of. Look at these stats, man. All stats. Oh, I ain't even want to go to that. Look at that. Scoring, shooting, rebounding, blocks and steals, assists and turning, foul, scoring, defense, shooting, defense, opponent, rebound, opponent, blocks and steals, opponent, assist and turn, opponent's foul, other, winning, other. It's too much. It's so much. You can analyze the game. But right now, Central Michigan struggling. They supposed to get their ass beat by Oklahoma. UL Monroe beat them by 10. Florida State smoked them. Who that's not really that good. South Florida. That's another under game. 58-48. Man, how much y'all? It better not be 130. Man, please. Please. CMU. Siena. Under, please. You get that, show me. Show me y'all gonna get that one, buddy. I don't believe you. Who is gonna score that many points? Please tell me. Why y'all ain't got no defense amongst each other? Is that what they trying to say? Americans shut them down. Sienna, man, Central Michigan might go in there thump y'all too, boy. Look at that, what that was, 62. No, 62 first half. Richmond bust them. Yeah, anybody score 40, that's half the battle. 56. I mean 66. It's easy to get over that half, boy. I like over halves. It's a secret little bad boy, but you gotta be careful, cause see right there, boom, you got smoked at 60. What did they first have under in the way? Let me take a look at it. Sienna. Where you at, Sienna? 64. Ooh wee wee. 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 Now that's one I might can take. I might can take that one. I might can take that half under. Cause this the kind of game it's gonna be. 69. Ooh. You said that's the kind of game it's gonna be. So if that's the kind of game it's gonna be, they got 60 on the nose. Mm, South Florida better than Sienna though. Ooh, it's gonna be something like this game, but then they scored amazing in the first half. Mm, that's a little what? That's a 60 burger. Ooh, that's a little over. So, that was Holy Cross. So, what kind of game this is gonna be? I gotta look at one more thing. Okay, they played November 13th. And they played November 15th. They played more recent. But then they got that's 5 days rest. I think just Central Michigan done been playing. Give me Central Michigan, man. I just think they've been just playing money line. They should win money line. How can they not win this game? They've been battling with the best of them. How can they not? How can they not win that game? When you look at that, -3, yeah. If I can move this motherfucker up to 139, yeah. I like the under, but I do like Central Michigan. To smoke that shit wide open. That's 11:30. My Florida Gulf Coast at Norfolk, huh? Let me look at these boys. My Florida Gulf Coast. We Florida boys down here. We Florida boys. We Florida boys. Them boys is 1-4 against the spread, and they still favorite by 5. Really? That's a testament to Norfolk State. Y'all must be sorry. Wait a minute. Y'all still favorite. Y'all couldn't cover the y'all covered the +14. So they got excited. You barely beat Avenue Maria. Who is Avenue Maria? 80 to 71. Who is Avenue Maria? Please, somebody tell me. Avenue Maria. No. And they don't even got a spread. And y'all didn't cover that. You didn't cover it, bro. Because there's no way you was a favorite against Missouri State by -1. And the favorite by, you favored against Hampton by 10. And you lose that outright by 7. They almost covered it against you. And you still favorite? Man, Vegas need they slapped in the face, bro. Against these boys? Okay, I understand they lose to San Jose. Fordham is formidable. Man, I really want to go look at these rosters. They made me want to go look at and see what is this? There's a size differential? Is this a size? This is Florida Gulf Coast, though. Norfolk State Spartans. They got a program. I could believe. They program a little bit more known than Florida Gulf Coast. I know Florida Gulf Coast made a little run that time. But okay, that's Pitt. Missouri State. Who is those dudes? They lost to San Jose State, but they ain't never played each other. Look at the program over the years. Man, they been putting in some wins, man. They been putting in work. I see more green than red. 3 games they lost, we don't know. Then another 5, 6, 7 game win streak. Lost 1 win when they lost 2. They lose 2. But I ain't even seen them lose 3 in a row. Really? I don't see it. Then another green streak. Man, Norfolk State, man, let me see what you've been doing for red. Just been red. Okay. You got your little win streak down here against JU, Central Arkansas. Okay. Man, I don't know, boy. I don't know, boy. What they thinking? Hold on, let me see what they got. Is this in extra games? Norfolk State. I guess them boys Division 1. Them boys said we ain't in the extra game no more, boy. We with the real boy. Well, let me see where y'all at. I don't see you. Okay. Man, that's another little one I like on the money line. Norfolk State. Plus 176. I especially like them point. Man, who the Florida Gulf? How they still favorite? How they still favorite, man? I don't believe it. I won't believe it. They're going to have to show me. I'm from Showville. Let's go on, man. Let's move on. Milwaukee at Stetson. Who you like on that one? Hey, boo. Who you like? Who you like? Stetson at Milwaukee, Wisconsin. Milwaukee. Where you at, Milwaukee? Oh, they probably got Wisconsin, Milwaukee. Oh, we got, man, my brain's fried. Can't even remember Stetson. 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 Let me look look at man Stetson, man. See what's going on with Stetson. Okay, they busted clocks. They beat Trinity Baptist. Then they got beat by UNLV, Houston. I don't know who he is, Stetson. And now you're underdog. You're underdog. You know, the Colorado got a squad. They bang with Providence. I think Milwaukee Panthers will beat them. -4. I think I like Milwaukee. I think Milwaukee will beat them, man. Let me see. Stetson got blowed out by Houston by 31. Dang, UNLV beat them. They beat Trinity Baptist. They lost to Wisconsin, Milwaukee back in the day already, huh? In the CBI by 4. Luther North, who was that? They almost won by 30. Then they lost to Colorado. And they banged with. They beat Stout. Who the fuck is Stout? Man, Wisconsin. I don't know about it. I think they'll win. They should win. They should beat them. I'm leaning. I don't like that 4.5. I think they'll win by 2 or 3. Stetson, man, give me Milwaukee, man. I think Stetson was on a little bit decline. Milwaukee more on although they're slow inclines, but Stetson's incline is downward. Milwaukee's is a slight incline upward. If you can understand that. Drake at Stephen F. Austin. Ooh, who you like, boy? Stephen F. Austin and Drake. Stephen F. Austin and Drake. Stephen F. Austin and Drake. They 3-1, boy. They done beat North American. 28. That ain't bad. They lost to Middle Tennessee. Questionable. Loyola Marymount. They beat them by 10. Man, okay. Well, Drake. That's a good win, Loyola. Drake. They done beat Oakland. Southwest Minnesota by 20. Lipscomb by 15. Ooh, we. But they ain't covered nothing. It was a 15.5. They lost by a hook. Ooh. They won by 20. They probably should have been a 30-point fair. That's why there wasn't no spread on it. They didn't cover that. I don't give them no cover. -9. They couldn't cover that against Oakland. I already told you that. That was my little sleeping bet. So Trey, can you do the 3.5 at least? Dang, can you give us a 4-point victory? Let's see what Stephen F. Austin. Man, I don't know. I really don't. Let me look at Middle Tennessee. Let me see how. If they sorry, then that'll alarm me. They 3-1. They ain't sorry. They beat Northern Kentucky North. Lost to West Carolina. I don't know about that, but they ain't sorry. That's a good news. That's a good win. Drake, boy, Drake. Let me look at a little bit over his head to head. Well, yeah, J. Stephen F. Austin. and Drake. Let me see. Okay. They played each other. This was back in '08. That was a long time ago. I like Drake the way Drake went on ahead and put Oakland on out the door though. To be honest, I do like that. And they beat Lipscomb by 15, boy. I don't think Lipscomb ain't no punks, dog. Let me see what they doing. Lipscomb doing right now. Lipscomb 3-2. They lost to two good teams, but then you see what Lipscomb doing to folks. They busting clocks on folks. Man, give me Drake to bounce back and give us this 4-point victory. Drake, they gonna do it. I feel that it looks like they have no other choice but to do it. I mean, Stephen F. Austin, I got you. Y'all doing y'all nice start, nice start, nice start. But y'all on to it against the spread, Drake. Usually, I ride that train. I usually just get on that train and ride it. So Drake, boy, if they give me a money line opportunity, I'ma do it. I don't know if Stephen F. Austin can. They beat y'all ass. They beat y'all ass, bro. And I noticed something. Every time I ignore the fact the team beat them last, it's bitten me quite too many times to ignore it. And even in soccer, I be like, man, this team, man, right now, this is this. I said, but they beat them last. I said, oh, it's 2 years ago. But they beat them last. I still don't believe it. And then them boys go in there upset them a lot of times. Not every time, but a lot of times. So I got to, I gotta understand it. That's real. I gotta understand it. Man, let me put that SFA on a sprinkle sheet. I'm put them sliding them on a sprinkle sheet. Where y'all at, Stephen F. Austin? What y'all giving us? Plus how much? Plus how much? Stephen F. Austin, where you at? Plus 138. See, they believe they can probably do it. They ain't giving us plus 215 like Oakland or plus 367 like Buffalo. They might, man. I can't ignore them. I got 1, 2, 3 little plus little teams. Oh shoot, know what I mean. You know how we just chasing this green. Know how we picking wrong teams. Oh man, oh man, don't pick the wrong team, man. Don't pick the wrong team, man. T focus. UNC, Wilmington, Murray State. This gonna be the no. I'm gonna go all the way down to the Syracuse Tennessee game. 3 o'clock games. It's over. It's over. Murray State, UNC, Wilmington. What these boys been doing? You gotta start early so you can map who's who. Murray State, 2-1, right out the rizzle. Is they good against the spread? No, they have not covered a spread yet. The first game they wasn't on the spread. They did win by 33, so and then they was a 12-point favorite and lose. No, they won by 6, so they barely covered. They lost to Western Kentucky. They was favorite and they lost by 5. Now they the underdog. They realize they ain't who they is. They not who they is. NC Wilmington. Oh man, they ain't playing. Well, they played NC Asheville and smoked them. In NC Asheville, and NC Asheville they played two sorry Virginia Lynchburg and Piedmont. They lost to Michigan. Obviously they should lose that. Man, Murray, y'all in trouble, man. I really believe y'all in trouble, Murray State. I think so, little Murray. Y'all in trouble, little Murray. Let me look for little Murray. I want to look at some head-to-head. Where you at, little Murray? Damn, I ain't got little Murray State. Is it way down here? No, it ain't way down here. What time they play? It's got to be up in the 13th. There we go. There we go, man. You're blind now, homie. Wilmington, boy. They lost to Western. They ain't never played each other. Wilmington home. Townsend beating. Murray State. They done lost two. They lost to Missouri State, man. Let me see who that is, really. Wait a minute. That must have been last year then. Was that last year? Birthday away. Oh, that was February. Oh, they only played one road game this year. They ain't even played a road game yet, basically. But they terrible on the road. Look at all this red. What? Oh my God. They 2-8. They last 10 road game, man. Man, I got to take NC Wilmington. UNC Wilmington. Why wouldn't I? And you crazy? Long Beach State at Illinois State. We gonna look at this, boy. I seen you, Cornell. I saw you. I'm getting to you next. I'm getting you to the next. Let's go to Illinois State. Illinois State. Boom. I'm getting to you, Cornell. I've been watching. I seen a few good victories that I was like, who is Cornell? We're going to find out now. We finally all cross your path, Cornell. But right now, Illinois State has not covered the spread yet. They lost to St. Louis. Okay. They were +8. They lost by 9. So that's not that bad. -13, they only won by 8. That's not super bad. 96-point underdog. Dude, is they worthy to be? Okay, they lost to Portland. They beat DePaul. Bang, they bang with Michigan and San Diego State. You got to be big if you banging with these boys. I know they lost. They covered the spreads on them. They done covered 3 straight. You got to be big. I ain't even checked these rosters yet. But you got to be big if you banging with Michigan and them boys. And they ain't never played. Man, give me Long Beach, man. I ain't look at their rosters. I ain't going through it today. I ain't putting that much on it, but I can tell you. They went in there and beat DePaul, which ain't all that. But I like this impressive banging when they almost up there in the 90s with Michigan, man. Illinois State, I don't think they ready for that, boy. I think the boy too big for them. They too big for them, man. Too big. Long Beach. That -6 might be a lot, maybe. Maybe. I might take it down. I always take it down low as I can when I do parlay. My West, shit, you already odds out of hitting a 5-10 teamer, man. You can't. It's hard to hit a 10 teamer. Although I hit one yesterday, and I've hit one. I haven't hit one. This is the first one of the month. I had one dry, but in October I hit a couple of them. But it's hard to hit them. You'll go dry for 2 weeks for sure. I don't for sure be like, man, I can't hit. I'm one off. I'm one off on everyone. I'm one off. I'm one off. That should have hit you across the head. I wasn't even confident in the last one. That had Liberty. I watched that game. Liberty versus Vermont Commonogs or whatever. I don't know their name. And they little championship little tournament. And they pulled it out for me, -3. They won by about 8-9. Cornell and Utah Valley. I seen both of these boys with good wins. Who's the better win? Who's the better win? Who's the better win? That's all you need to know. Oh man, I ain't trying to open no cold. Who's the better win? Who's the better win? Cornell. They beat Lehigh 6. Sonny Morrisville. They blowed them out, but the clock. But they got no defense. They let them boys score 86. Four of them scored 73, which is a Mason bust 90 on. This is going over. They can't stop nobody. Over. It's 153. This shit going over. And why is they -5.5 spread, bro? They beat Carroll. Who is Carroll? And you beat Southern Mississippi. So what? Man, I like Cornell in the over. And I don't know, it might not go well, but Cornell, boy. Cornell don't see them, boy. They cover a little 8 point, the +2. They ain't cover that +6. And they ain't finna cover this +5.5. Cornell ain't playing with them. Let me see. They done covered 2. They couldn't cover that -6.5. They won by 6. So if you teasing, you might have been pleasing. There was the underdog and won that one. Underdog to Jordan Mason, but they lost. They were supposed to lose. 5.5 point spread they covered. I don't see why they can't cover that. They beat Kyle State Fullerton by 18. Wait a minute. And this is the Kyle State that gotta play Southern Miss. Then Southern Miss. Then I seen that on Utah schedule here. Hold on, comment upon Southern Miss. Utah beat them by 2. Utah beat them by 2. Okay. Cal State Fullerton beat. Let me see something. I'm trying to look at something. Utah beat Southern Miss. 2. Let me look at this, man. I'm trying to see something. Oh, they play Kyle Fullerton today. And they just lost to Utah Valley team by 2. A close game. And they only the same team that they just lost. They just beat is a -2 point favorite Cal State. So that just let me know they think Cal State, Utah, and Southern Miss kind of on the same level. And they lost to San Diego State 57-83. Almost by a whole dub. But Cornell gonna beat Utah Valley ass. Who was that team that I liked that banged with Michigan? Was it Utah? Nah, who? Oh, Long Beach State. Okay. And I like Cornell, man. That just seems evident. And Tennessee, is y'all finna blow out Syracuse? I don't even want to bet on this game. I don't gonna lie, but I'm gonna look at it real quick. Look at it real quick. See if something sticks out to me. If not, I'm moving on. 14 points, Syracuse, Tennessee. Let's see. They're a neutral side. They ain't covered the spread yet. Man. Now you're a 12-point underdog. They beat them. They better beat them. They couldn't cover 31, huh? Man, I wish I would bet on that game. That's it, man. I like that High Point, Oakland points. Cal State, Southern Mississippi under. Central Michigan, Siena under. But I do like Central Michigan, Siena over half. I like Norfolk State +5. Milwaukee, Drake, UNCW, Long Beach, Cornell. I definitely like Cornell and UNCW and Drake and Milwaukee. They're my favorites. And Central Michigan, CMU. They're my favorites. And then my underdogs that I like today. Oh, and I like Long Beach too. So we got 6 favorites we like today. And underdogs we like High Point. They +4.5. Oakland. They +4.5, I believe. And we like Norfolk State +5. And we like Stephen F. Austin plus. I think they 3 or 4. Somewhere like that. I like that. That's a balance. I like 6 favorites and 4 underdog. They say, boy, that's a 10-teamer right there. Ooh, cause they said if you ain't got no plus underdog, boy, your ticket probably gonna lose. It's probably gonna lose if it ain't no underdogs on it. It's rare that you can pick 10 favorites all win. Man, one of them favorites is gonna lose. Man, these games start at 11:30. You got an hour and a half. Well, let me hurry up and upload this goddamn video. Peace. Tranquility.